So here we have a number of test tubes with various mixtures. The first tube is that C. It's that physically compatible mixture, as you can see there, very, very clear. This next one is what we would class compatible with agitation. As you can see there, there is some settlement, but the minute we agitate that, it goes back into solution and there is no problem. That would we class as CA. However, this next mix we class as non-compatible, because as you can see, even when we agitate, it immediately settles out. So we would class that as a non-compatible tank mix. So that's the difference between compatible with agitation in test tube number 2, test tube number 3, non-compatible. These next two show the importance of rates. So both of these tubes have the same product. One product is applied at 1 litre a hectare in both tubes. The other product is applied at 5 litres a hectare in one tube, 2 litres a hectare in the other. Which is which, do we think? This is why you should never assume, and you should check. Because actually, tube number 4 that you've just seen is the 5 litres a hectare rate, fully compatible. At the lower rate, as you can see in tube number 5, it is not compatible. This is an impact of pH because the products used are very low pH. But that just says do not assume that a higher rate is okay, a lower rate is okay. Please use the service. These next two show why we leave it for an hour. So as you can see there, when we do this mix, almost instantly, it looks absolutely fine. If that was a jar test, you'd say no problem. However, when we look at the tube next door, it's the same mix, but it's been left to stand for an hour. And you can see clearly there, it's gone like cotton wool. This would be incompatible. So this is why we leave them to stand for an hour. These final two show the importance of the correct mixing order. So tube number 7 has had a water dispersible granular product put in first, it's dissolved, and then we had a solution product. In tube 8, we're going to do them the opposite way around. So we add the solution first, followed by the wettable granule product. And as you can clearly see, tube 7 is the correct mixing order. It's fully dissolved, then add in the liquid product. In tube number 8, we added in the liquid product first, and now the WG product will not dissolve. No matter what we do to that product, it just looks like a snow globe. So the importance of mixing order, which is why we have that now on the website. This final tube just basically demonstrates why you should use this service, because what happens when it goes horribly wrong, you can see it already going horribly wrong in that test tube. So 3 products put in together, and yeah, as you can see, when it eventually does decide to come out of the tube, it's just a horrible, sticky, gluey mess. So that's why we offer the service. It's a free service. Please, please, please use the service.